This challenge is called Login. It's a medium-level challenge in the web exploitation category from the picoMini by redpwn event. The description says, "My dog sitter's brother made this website, but I can't get in. Can you help?" And then we have a link to the website. So the first thing we need to do is we need to right-click on the link and open the link in a new tab. So it seems like there is a login page over here with a username and password field. So we can just give this a couple of test credentials and click on submit. It says incorrect username. All right. So what we need to do is we need to take a look at the HTTP source for this web page. So we can right click and select view page source, or we could alternatively use the keyboard shortcut. So for Chrome, it's Control U. So we're just going to view the page source. And there's not very much here aside from the fact that there are a couple of links here. There's one to styles.css, but interestingly enough, there's this one over here, index.js. So this is some JavaScript, and it might have some secrets inside. So we can right-click on that and then put this in a new tab, and then take a look at what is inside. So this JavaScript is all jumbled up and put together. It's not very readable, but it's not very long either. But we see that there is a couple of variables in here. So there's this variable over here, which looks like it could be base64 encoded. And this string over here is probably base64 encoded as well. So we're looking for username and password, and these are base64 encoded strings. What we can do is we can go to a decoding website. So for example, base64decode.org, and we can paste in these values in here. So this first one here, we can highlight and copy. And then on the decode website, we're going to paste this in, and then we're going to hit the decode button. And we see that this is associated with the string admin. So this is a likely username, admin. So next, let's grab the other string. And the other string is this right here. We can copy that and then go back to the website and then paste in the string and then decode this. And the decoded version is the flag, picoctf server, 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 server. So what we can do is we can copy this flag, and this is actually used for the web application. So we can go back to the web application, and we know that it's looking for the username admin and the password, which we just got from the other site. We can paste it in, and then we can click on submit. So it says correct password, your flag is this over here. So we already have this, so we don't need to copy it. We're going to click on OK. And then we're going to go back to the challenge page. On the challenge page, in the flag submission field, we're going to paste in our flag and then click on submit flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.